Hey guys, HavasuLew. Looks like we're going to be doing a twofer video today. Just got back and setting up a video, and we're going to head back out and do another quick little video walkthrough for a client. We're going to go check out a brand new listing that was just completed. A 4-bedroom, 3-bath, sits on a huge lot with dual RV garages. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're at 1295 Kibbey Drive. This is on a flag lot, and so the driveway actually goes in between two other properties off the street, and the footprint is behind all of this. So when you draw it out on a plat map, it looks like a flag. That's why they call it a flag lot. But anyway, this one was just completed, just listed for 1.15. So there is a ton of room to do whatever you want here. It's a huge lot, almost 28,000 square feet. Of course, they do count the driveway as square footage. Does back to a wash, so nobody will ever be over there. There's still some actual side parking over here. It's probably about 10 feet plus wide, so you can probably still get a little trailer back there or something. Let's go on in and check it out. So that's a little casita, has its own entry, separate from the house. 8-foot entrance door. All right, guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2022, which is just completed. 2,280 square feet. Again, sits on a huge 27,800 square foot lot. Just listed for 1.15. They did can lights everywhere. They did do propane. So there's 2 propane fireplaces. It is a split bedroom layout. Nice plank tile floors. Real nice kitchen island with quartz tops. They did under cabinet lighting, and they even have lights up in the top glass cabinets. They also brought in the propane for the stove. So you have a pretty big kitchen pantry. All stainless appliances. So you have double slider doors out to this side of the house. So we have the master. Has a slider out to the backyard patio area. So you have your master bath, quartz counters, dual sinks, can lights, little soaker tub. You have a real cool walk-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling and a giant rain head. Also has a walk-in closet. So you have a guest bath behind the kitchen. Dual sinks. Another walk-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. Yeah, bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Also has a little walk-in closet. Looks like all your home automation stuff runs back here to this closet as well. So yeah, bedroom number 3 at the end of the hallway, also at the front of the house. This one has a standard 3-door slider closet. So before we go in the backyard and the garage, just wanted to check out this little 4th bedroom casita setup they have. So this is the 4th bedroom casita setup. Has its own mini split AC, can lights, sink. Has room for a fridge, dishwasher. So you have your garage door access right off the entry, little linen closet. Let's go check out the garages. So you have a massive garage setup. You have a 2-car with a 25-foot bay and 9-foot doors. A 51-foot deep garage with a 14-foot door, and then a 36-foot with a 14-foot door. 3 mini split AC units. You have your washer, dryer set up out here. Also has a roll-up door out to the backyard. Doors are insulated. So they have taken part of this 51-foot depth over here and turned it into another like casita living area. Got your tankless water heater, loop for your RO system, or soft water. So it has its own little bathroom and shower. They have this set up so somebody could put in a huge pool. So this would like be the pool bathroom, most likely. Also has another room attached to it, little game room or bar setup or another little casita. Has its own little mini split unit. Also has a little closet and a door out to the backyard patio, which we're gonna go check out right now. So there is a 4-panel stacked slider door out to the backyard, and they did a huge back patio blowout. Ceiling fans, can lights everywhere, pavers all the way. They did a huge gas or propane fireplace out here. I also saw a little stem out for propane over here so that, you know, you can put in a kitchen eventually. It's already pre-wired for all security cameras and stuff. So this is a pretty substantial area. I do see little gas stub outs all over, so you have some options. So you have a huge area over here to kind of do with what you want. Shop, huge pool, another guest house or casita. It's pretty expansive. Can even get through the side over here. So, you know, you can put another RV garage or whatever you want back here, really. Also see an outdoor shower. So this place is set up with a future pool build in mind, of course. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Kibbey. Again, this one was just completed and just listed, currently listed for $1.15. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the latest pictures and current price. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.